Hello viewers, let's learn how we can create a poll on WhatsApp. This poll can facilitate you in selecting one option in multiple choices. So let's open WhatsApp and then we can open a group or a single individual contact. So let me open a group and let me click attachment. Now after this click poll. And when it opens, so a dialog box will appear. First write your question and below are different multiple options in shape of answer or choices. Now I wrote the question and for visit I gave multiple options. You can give more option by clicking add. Now let's leave it on third option. Now off this button so the user may get only one choice and let's click send. Now he can change the option but only one option by one user can be chosen. Now you have seen a reply reached and now more members will vote and you will see the required result in shape of increasing number of votes for different options. Thanks for watching.